When you search for the best water filter pitcher for 2026, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, and same glossy photos. But to truly understand what works and what doesn't, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Pure Plus Water Filter Replacement for Pitchers. First up, we have the Pure Plus Water Filter Replacement for Pitchers. Priced at $18.39, this caught my attention because it promises to remove lead and other harmful substances from your water. If you want cleaner, better tasting water, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With up to 40 gallons of cleaner water filtration per filter, it's designed to keep your water safe for about 2 months. Imagine not having to worry about contaminants like chlorine and microplastics in your tap water. Plus, it's WQA certified, meaning trusted testing backs it up. That's a big deal if you're serious about what goes into your body. Now, some people complained that installation could be tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the lock-fit design, it's a breeze. So if you're someone who prioritizes safety in your drinking water, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're health conscious and want to ensure your drinking water is clean. Skip this one if you're looking for a pitcher that filters water instantly. This one requires some patience.
Product number 2, PUR 30-cup countertop water filter dispenser, priced at $34.72. This caught my eye with its impressive capacity and space-saving design. If you want a lot of clean water at your fingertips, this one's a great choice. The 30-cup capacity means you can fill this up less often, and it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning super easy. This dispenser is certified to reduce chlorine and other contaminants that make your water taste bad. It filters up to 40 gallons or lasts for 2 months, so you can really enjoy clean water without frequent trips to the store for bottled water. If you're tired of the clutter of plastic bottles, this helps you save money while being eco-friendly. On the downside, some users found it bulky for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you have space and want something that can really quench your thirst, this is worth considering. This is perfect for families or anyone who drinks a lot of water throughout the day. Skip this if you have limited counter space and prefer a more compact option.
Product number 3, Brita Metro Small 6-cup water filter pitcher, which goes for $27.49. This caught my attention because it's compact and still packs a punch in terms of filtration. This pitcher reduces twice as many contaminants as standard filters, including chlorine and mercury, which is huge for improving the taste of your water. It even helps retain beneficial minerals and electrolytes, so you're not just filtering, but enhancing your water too. Plus, it comes with a smart light indicator that reminds you when to change the filter, which is super convenient. With the ability to replace up to 300 plastic bottles, it's a great investment for both your health and the environment. However, some folks found the lid a bit clunky when pouring. Here's the thing, once you get used to it, it's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for something practical and eco-friendly, this is a great fit. This is perfect for individuals or couples who want cleaner water without the hassle of large pitchers. Skip this one if you need a high-capacity pitcher for larger gatherings.
Product number 4, Pure 11-cup water pitcher. Next, we have the Pure 11-cup water pitcher for $29.99. What stood out to me is its balance of capacity and performance. This pitcher has a stay-tight lid that allows you to filter and pour at the same time, which is super handy if you're in a rush. It's designed to reduce a variety of contaminants, like chlorine and mercury, making your water taste so much better. The filter lasts for up to 40 gallons, which is about 2 months of regular use. Plus, being dishwasher safe means less hassle for you when it's time to clean. One downside is that some users mentioned the filter change light can be confusing at times, but honestly, if you're proactive about maintenance, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's an affordable way to ensure you're drinking clean, great-tasting water. This is perfect for busy individuals or small families who want a reliable water filter. Skip this if you're looking for a larger capacity or something more simplistic.
Product number 5, Husky Han Alkaline Water Filter. Last but not least, we have the Husky Han Alkaline Water Filter, priced at $18.99.
This one caught my eye because it offers a unique 7-stage filtration system that not only purifies, but also increases the pH level of your water. This filter is designed to remove fluoride, chlorine, and other harmful substances while improving the taste. Depending on your tap water, it can raise the pH from 7 to up to 10, which is a fantastic feature if you're into alkaline water. With easy installation and an average lifespan of about 40 gallons, it's a practical option for anyone looking to enhance their drinking water. However, some users found the initial setup instructions a bit unclear. But really, once you follow the steps, it's straightforward. If you're looking for a filter that boosts your water's alkalinity and taste, this is a solid pick. This is perfect for health enthusiasts who want to improve their water quality. Skip this if you're not interested in the extra benefits of alkaline water.
So there you have it. The Pure Plus for safety, the Pure 30 Cup for capacity, Brita Metro for compact performance, Pure 11 Cup for reliability, and Husky Hand for alkaline benefits. Each one has its unique strengths, so choose based on what suits your needs best.